there is the north line. I don't know what the hell this is right here. This is 1195. And then you have right there is another line that he's got. I'll walk down to that one. I don't know if you can see down in there, but that one's actually, he's got a trail on that. So that one actually comes out in the field. That one and this one are marked with them big long hangings so you can see what's going on. So I don't know if you can see that little bit of pink in there. So you got there at the corner, right to the side of that balsam, right there, is the next one. And then the last one, this here is the north line. Got a nice natural little camping spot right here. Beautiful, protected by these big maples. Right there. Nice, easy access to the water.